Hello, healthy friends. This is Terry of the Bend Health Guide, and today I am excited about kittens, and I'm also excited to be joining the Leaders Network on Facebook. And they sent me this little box, and I thought I would just do a little unboxing with you to see what it is. I don't really know. But I have been using Facebook for my business, for the Bend Health Guide, for marketing so many people for the last 5 years. And you can see they sent me a beautiful hat. I'm just going to put that on. And a water bottle. And more important than that, though, I'm learning the skills for how to Facebook smarter, not harder. And this fall, I plan on bringing you some special tips on our YouTube channel for how you can grow your business using social media in the best ways, where you don't waste your precious life energy spending all your time and energy on social media, but instead you use it smarter, not harder. Thank you, and stay tuned.